Alright, so as you can hear, sounds like a lot of metal scraping coming from the rear brakes. My wife just noticed it a couple days ago, although could have been a couple weeks ago. We're going to go ahead and get these off, take a look at them, and go from there. You hear scraping in there. So, starting to get a lip here. Ridges, you can start to feel the ridges on it. And if you look at the back is really bad. The back actually, you can see the lines and everything in it, and that's really rough. So we're gonna need to replace both the brake pads and the rotor. So, all right, let's go ahead and do that. And this is the number from Napa for the brake pads. These are the premium ones. And then here's the rotor. And there's the number for the rotor. And this is for a 2008 Chevy Tahoe. What are you piggies doing? Oh. Hey, hey, what are you doing? Trying to fix the brake hole off. All right. You gonna help me? Huh? You gonna help me? No, I want to go eat something. Maybe follow the kids. They usually drop stuff. All right. Well, go ahead then. I'm gonna try the wrapper off your rotors. It tastes pretty good. All right. Well, just don't eat the plastic. All right. You are a weird goat. There's basically 4 bolts. There's 2 bolts that the caliper bolts on, and then there's 2 bolts that hold the brake pads. So total of 4. All right. So yeah, her pads were definitely shot, and we'll take a look at the back. Yeah. So you can see how bad this was. That's supposed to be smooth, and that's like ridges on a ruffled potato chip. So that's no good. And while we got this off, just look at the emergency brakes. They look good. They still got some life left in them. Yeah. But you could see how worn her brake pads were. And then the other one was totally shot. That was down, making the squeals, rubbing into the rotor. So what I'm getting ready to use here is basically it's like a caliper squeezer. You want to put the old brake pad in there and then line that up inside and then twist it until the piston goes all the way back in. What I'm doing here is using my drill just to bust the rust off and clean out where I got to put the new brake pads in. What you want to do, you want to put a little bit of anti-seize in between. Put a little bit of anti-seize in between, that way the rotor doesn't seize up against your hub there. Once you get your rotor back on, basically you're just putting everything back together in the reverse order. So it'll be your rotor, and then your caliper with the brakes, and then your 4 bolts. Then you want to put a little never seize on the rotor. That way your rim doesn't get seized up against your rotor when you try and change a tire or take it off. All right.
I'm going to skip the other side because
side.
it's basically the same exact thing. Just make sure when you're doing your brakes, you do both rear or both front together. That way they're even and wear even.
I think some piggies are tired. Are we tired, piggies? You tired? How about you, Peppa? Are you tired? Yeah, I'm just trying to take a nap. What about you, George? Yep, me too. All right, enjoy. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.